Hello and welcome to Healing Womanhood. My name's Saffron and in today's video we are going to be tapping on getting back to our truth. So we're talking about feelings of stress and anxiety that are actually a result of being pulled off course. We're talking about getting back on track, getting back to who we really are. So we do talk about managing stress and anxiety. We talk about tapping that we can do to lower our stress responses in our body and to make us feel calmer and more at ease in life. And now we're talking about the causes of that stress, because we can do that management and we can keep going like that for some time, but what we don't want to do is mask a problem that's underneath that. So having all of these brilliant techniques like EFT to help you feel less stressed is great, but if that's just allowing you to continue in a life that's not really for you, then it's not doing you a service in the long term. So we're going to tap on feelings of stress and anxiety, and we're just going to explore the possibility that maybe those feelings are a symptom of being off course, of being pulled away from our truth. And then we're going to bring ourselves back into our truth and back into just an openness to understanding what our truth is. And that's going to be completely different for every single person. So just see what comes up for you. It's a really good one to do a bit of journaling with, so that you can make a note of what feels true. Come back to it tomorrow, see if it still feels true for you, and see where your true nature takes you. So if you haven't tapped with me before, all you need to do is tap where I'm tapping and repeat what I'm saying. And we begin here on the side of the hand, which is called the karate chop point. And we'll begin by saying, even though I'm feeling all of this stress and anxiety, and maybe there's something wrong, I'm choosing to feel safe in my body now. And even though I have a hard time with stress and anxiety, and it might be masking something bigger, that's okay, and I'm okay. And I'm choosing to be open and curious now. Even though I have all of this stress and anxiety, and I wonder if I've been pulled off course, I choose to fully and completely love and accept all of myself now. Lovely, that's our setup statement done, and now we can go on to the eyebrows. Just tap on the points as I do. I'm not going to say the points each time. If you want to tap with your eyes closed, you can just move around whichever points feel good to you. I feel this stress and anxiety. I notice that it's there in my body. And I wonder if I've been pulled off track. I wonder if this stress and anxiety is trying to tell me that things have gone in the wrong direction. That I'm not living my full truth. I can feel these feelings in my body. This stress in my tummy, or wherever it is that you feel it. This stress in my muscles. I'm opening up to the possibility that it might be letting me know that I'm off track. That I've wandered away from what's true for me. That something on the outside has pulled me. in a direction I never intended to take. Wondering if that might be true for me now. Wondering where in my life I might be a bit off course. Wondering what in my life doesn't feel quite right. What doesn't feel like joy. And this might be scary to think about. Maybe some big things are not as they should be. And I'm choosing to acknowledge that now. And I can decide what I want to do with that. I can decide where I want to take it. I'm choosing to understand it first. And allowing myself to open up to the possibility that if I choose to, I could get back on track. Wondering what that would be like. How would my life look if I was living my full truth in every single moment? Just allowing myself to wonder now. To picture what's true for me. What would bring me joy? What feels right in my body? Not what everyone else says I should do, or how the culture says I should feel. Just what's right for me. Feeling worthy and deserving of a life that's right for me. Feeling worthy and deserving of a joyful life. Allowing myself to live in joy. Allowing myself to live my truth. Returning to what's right for me. Even if it looks a bit weird. Allowing myself my own special weirdness now. It was never my destiny to be just like everyone else. And I'm allowing myself my destiny. Stepping back into my own truest self. Meandering back towards my own truest path. Following the joy and ease that flows through my body. When I'm heading in the right direction. embracing all of my truth now. Take a deep breath. I wonder what came up for you there. Sometimes it might be that you realise that little things in your life aren't really for you and you can let them go with ease. Sometimes it might be huge things, and that can be really daunting, even to acknowledge, like, this job isn't right for me, this relationship isn't right for me, this house isn't right for me. Those can be really scary to look at because they'd be very disruptive potentially to change. So if that is something that you would like some support with, I have some one-to-one sessions available, so do get in touch if you would like to work with me. Let me know how that went for you. Let me know what came up. Let me know what truth came through for you, what it is you'd like to be doing more of, what it is you'd like to be doing less of. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.